Hello, welcome to this video. This is for Essential 4DS Math students. From the probability unit, we're going to be taking a look at expected value. We're not going to look at how to calculate expected value. You can walk through that with your teacher. We'll mention it in here. But this video is more intended just to show you the true meaning of what expected value is actually calculating. Let's take a sample game. You pay $1 to play this game and you flip a coin. If the coin lands heads, you win $3, which means you win your dollar back that you paid to play, plus an extra $2 on top of that dollar. What we've made here is a spreadsheet that is going to simulate playing many versions of this game. So you can see I've already got a line here where the first game's been played, and what happens is we generate a random seed. This is just a number between 0 and 1. And what I've done is I've specified to the computer, and you can't see the formula that's in this box, but if this seed is above 0.5, you lose, and if it's below 0.5, you win. This is one way to get a computer to simulate flipping a coin. We have a 50-50 chance of winning. If you win $2. If you lose the dollar you paid to play. Remember, the $2 is the $3 you win minus the dollar you paid to play. This is how much you profit. The percent chance of winning flipping a coin is 50%. So we have a 50% chance in decimal of winning and a 50% chance of losing. You can see the first game has happened here and we have lost. So what's happened is we're down $1, and we're going to keep a running total of how we're doing money-wise. So we're down $1 as of right now. On the right-hand side, we're going to look at the average amount over the games. The calculated expected value, if you use the expected value formula, is 50 cents, which means if you play this game enough times, you should expect to win 50 cents per game. So we're going to keep track of the amount of money we've won or lost over time and the amount of games, and we're going to look at how much on average we've won or lost. If your expected value is positive, that means if you play enough times, you should end up with more money than you lost. You should end up with a positive amount of money. If expected value is negative and you play enough times, it means you're going to lose money. So because we have a positive expected value in this game, we can expect to win money. You can see from the first game, we did not win any money. So I'm going to fill down this in 2 sections, and we're going to play about 100 games. I'll stop it somewhere after 100. Let's go to 120-ish. It doesn't start right on line 1, so we're around 120 games. I'm just filling in the amount you win and amount you lose and the chance. And then we're going to, my seed recalculates every time we do this, but this will still be a good example. Okay, so I'm going to fill down, and this is going to simulate playing a whole bunch of games. Okay, so let's look and see what's happened here. So it recalculated again. So the first game we ended up actually winning, so we're $2 up. The next game we won, so we're another $2 up, which gives us $4 that we've won in total. The third game we lost, so we went down. We went down $1, so we're only winning $3. Or we only have $3. In the next game we lost, so we go down another $1. That takes our winnings down to $2. Then we won, we're up to $4. We won, we're up to $6. We lost. So there goes $1 each time. Then we win. This is completely random. Of course, if you played this game, your wins and losses would be different. But I want to look over here and show you what's happening. Okay. By the time we get to the bottom, we have gained $65. We've done that over. We started at row 3 and we went to row 120. So that's about 117 games we played. 117 flips of the coin. Out of that, we ended up winning 65 times. Well, there's our number of games, over 118 games. So the average amount that we won or lost is about 55 cents per game. So we ended up about $65 up. We're winning about 50 cents a game. The more times we play, the closer that average value will come to 50 cents. If I go down here and I grab these again, and we play about 1,000 games, and please excuse the video for a second while I fill this down to approximately 1,000 games. This is going to take a little bit of time. As a matter of fact, I am just going to skip, and I'll be back in just a second. Okay, sorry for that little wait. I'm just about down to 1,000 games. I'm actually filling it to row 1003. That should give us either 1,000 or 1,001 games. I'm not smart enough to figure out which. There we go. So it's going to recalculate right from the beginning again. So our first game might not be quite the same. Okay, so we win and we lose and we win and we lose and we win and we lose. Our money is generally going up, and you can see that over 1,001 games, we won 448 times. If you divide that, that works out to about 45 cents a game, again around 50 cents. The more and more games you play, the closer and closer your actual average amount is going to approach 50 cents. I'm not going to make you sit here and watch as we fill down to 10,000 or 100,000 games. But if we played 100,000 games, I think you'd find that this average amount would be very, very close to the 50 cents calculated value. So again, expected value doesn't calculate how much you're going to win or lose in one game. It calculates how much you're going to win or lose on average over the number of games played. If you play 1,000 games, you can expect to win 1,000 times 50 cents, which is $500. And you can see we won 448. So on this batch of games, we didn't do so well. If I fill just one more line, it'll recalculate, and we'll see if we can do any better than that with another 1,000 games. We'll do 1,002 games. Okay, so it recalculated, redid the games again, and now you can see we're very close to 50 cents a game, right? We could expect to win about $500, and we won 496. That's what expected value calculates as the average amount won. The average amount won per game. I hope this helps give you a better idea about expected value, and thanks for watching the video.